Hello everybody, here once again to present you my the trade of the day. Some days you just don't have to trade. Today we have a day full of news. 9 a.m. GBP news, good for despair, GBP JPY. We had 3:30 USD unemployment claims. We have 9 p.m. FOMC, and this is a new that we have to be aware of. And today's trade is a counter trend for an initial strategy of bearish. If you look here, market is an overall bearish, a lot of bearish. It is an important spot for this whole range, for this bull range. It's again the strategy of yesterday: bull taken, buy sell liquidity taken, retracement to OT of this range. If the price respects these levels, it will continue higher on a bigger time frame, and if it won't, it will spark a bearish model for the I don't know how many days or how much time. But today is an interesting day. Clean execution, clean target, great management, and it's everything. The initial strategy is this placement to the downside, sell side liquidity is like the bull one but reversed, with some extra conviction if you have here and something like this. But after entering the bull one, I tried entering second trade, but it was the 3:30 news where it's recommended to not enter, and now it's just too late. But you can see the strategy is playing out. Even it got the second time the buy side, which I note IBSL. Not that it's much risk or anything, but I'm late, and to have a trade with 160 pip, I don't do that. I don't do that thing. Sell side, let's get back to the work. Sell side swept. This created a bear fair value gap. Here is unbalanced locations. So many fair value gaps here. Market does not have to rebalance all of them. The most important zones are 05, equilibrium, OT, and in this it's just like this case. Displays to the bear fair value gap, which sooner it transformed into inverse. Price bounced on the OT of the bull one. This makes out the market structure shift, at least for a local market structure shift, and on 1 minute it's more clearer. Look, OT respected it to the pip, I mean exactly to these levels, went up after price displaced of the change the state. My first entrance was a little bit early. After seeing displacement to the change the state, I was sure that this trade will go to certain levels, and it went to the highs here, sweeping them near the OT, and this is where it comes that we are counter trend. The trade was beautiful. First take profit was about 50 cents, not 50 pips, I mean something like here, like that. After displacing upwards, I reduced it pretty much to 15 pips or 10 pips, something like that. Price was displacive. Price displaced to the levels I wanted them to displace. At this point, came out of the trade, happy with the trade, and after that market was just chopping around 3:30 news. Also it can do this of the FOMC, and that's big, and that's why it's not recommended in the FOMC to put on a lot of size. This is another example of ICT trading, another good trade, and I hope to help everyone out. And this is the report of the day. See you next time.